So the overarching theme at Chelsea this year, that's 2024, was food. And it's something that obviously all of us need to live. Like plants need fertilizer to live. They need food as well. But creating your own food forest is something I think that people are really talking about. It's just very exciting. And the best way to do that, of course, is to work from seeds. But when it comes to seeds, what's the difference, Linda? What is the difference between heirloom, heritage, hybrid, non-GMO? Okay, because people will look at this and go, I'm going to buy those ones because they're cheaper. And that's not usually the best way to do it, because
well, sustainability is definitely what underscores life today, especially in South Africa for so many reasons. Food is, as you said, an imperative, but very much on the lips of everyone because you know what's happening in the world.
Food security is so important.
So I'm going to focus on heirlooms first. And the thing about heirlooms, which is so remarkable, and by the way, heritage is like the American terminology, heirloom is more, English, UK English. And the thing about heirloom seeds is that they are, for sustainability, food security, number one. You can harvest your seeds forever. Number two, there's genetic variability, which means basically that it provides the plant with excellent resilience to different weather conditions. And the weather is nuts. I mean, we're sitting in the middle of winter and it's boiling. So there's that. True to type. You always know what you're going to get. So, for example, these mixed radish, I'm going to get the seeds from here. I'm going to get exactly what this packet looks like, and for the next however many generations. When you take the seeds
from those and you keep harvesting and sharing, that's what it's going to look like.
Yes.
So with a hybrid, it doesn't work like that.
No. So hybrids generally, depending on what generation the hybrid is, it can be sterile, the seeds. When hybrids are planted, you get what's called a hybrid high, which means that the plants grow fast, and hybrids are bred to grow like there's almost like a surety of that, to grow a certain height. Everything actually gets ready at the same time, and when you harvest those seeds, number one, you're not going to get true to type, so you don't know what you're going to get. Number two, the genetics have been bottlenecked because they've removed whatever they don't want. So for example, what that basically does is it can put the plant in a vulnerable position, because if there's a disease that comes along,
all get hit.
Correct. They all get wiped out. And the last thing about hybrids is that you'll never repeat that hybrid high. It's for first generation only.
So you would use your seeds that are hybrids as a one-time thing, and you have to buy new seeds the next year. So it's always better. In fact, it'll probably be more cost effective to actually go out and get something like this. Maybe, I know these ones are great. It's a little packs perfect for the home gardener, and you put these into the ground, and then you can get seeds if you let them go to seed for the following season. Much better idea, quite frankly.
And to be honest, when you're dealing with a good quality seed that's an heirloom, like I have to say, Frankie Cementi, you are going to get an excellent crop. And that's a very important thing. It's one thing growing seeds, heirloom seeds, but your plant has to give you a good crop, and the plant has to be strong. And that's another thing that people actually don't take into consideration. Start with good quality seeds and you'll get a good quality crop.
Fantastic.